friends and welcome to Obsidian Soft. Today I will show you how to resolve the play signing issue on Google Play Console when you try to update your app. Recently I got this warning for my Countville Farm with Numbers app that is available for children on Google Play Store that I need to update it to target Android 12. But when I uploaded the new app bundle with the required changes, I got this error that to upload an Android app bundle, you must be enrolled in Play App Signing. So I will show you how to resolve this issue. Just click on Use Play App Signing and then click here. So I need to follow this process and I will show you how to do it for macOS, and for Windows I will upload another video. Okay, so first of all, download this encryption public key, then download this tool, okay, and then copy this command and paste it in any text software. Okay, now we have to make some changes. So this file, the jar file, it was downloaded to our downloads folder. So go there, right click on it, and then press the option key, and then you will get this path name option, copying it. So just copy it and replace this by its file path. Okay. Now your key store, the one that you used for signing before this error came. So go to wherever it is. So I have put it in my documents folder. Again, right click on your key store file, press the option key and then copy it as path name and then paste it here. Okay, now this is the alias of your key. So in my case it is Countville. Yeah, I had to add my name to it. And then what is the output? This is the place where your encrypted key will be created by this command. So let's make a folder in my documents folder. So just new folder. Output. Okay, again I'm doing it for macOS right now, but for Windows I will do another video. So I have this output folder in my documents folder, and I'm going to get the path for it by right clicking on it, pressing the option key and then copying the path name, and then go back to my text document, and this output is equal to, then paste the path, and now put a slash and then give some name, like I'm going to use countville.pem. Okay, and then what will come here? That is the encryption key that we had downloaded, the public key. So again, go to your downloads folder, right click, option key, copy it, come back and paste it here. Okay, now as I have already done this process for my another app, the Mental Maths one, when I ran this command, I realized that we need OpenJDK 20 for this to work. So for that, before running this command, I want to download it. I've already downloaded it and set the Java home, but I'm going to show you the process of doing it. So just go to this website. I will give the link in the video description, and download it for your operating system. In my case, it is macOS. For Windows, I will do another video. So just download this file, okay? And once it is downloaded, so here it has been downloaded, just unzip it by double clicking on it. And this folder, just copy it and go to this location, library Java, JavaVirtualMachines, go there and paste it there. Okay, it's already there for me, but in your case, just paste it there. Okay, once you have done that, now you need to set your Java home to point to this JDK. Okay, so for that, go to Launchpad, type in terminal and write down this command. I will give this in the video description too. And press Ctrl D to save it. And close the terminal window and then open it again. And you will see if you write down Java minus version, this should be now 20.0.2. And once that has happened, get this without the $sign and paste it here. Now it's asking me for my password. So type in your keystore password. Type in your password for your key. And if I visit my documents folder, I will see that the key, it has been created and it has been saved here. So if I go back here and upload this private key, and then press save, and I have enabled it. Now I can go to my production and edit my release and again upload my bundle. So as you can see that my app bundle has been uploaded successfully and the problem has been solved about the app signing. Okay, so now I can make the relevant changes about my release and then send it for review, and after a successful review it will be published to Google Play Store.